Welcome to Decent Channel. In this video, we are conducting a full performance test of our multi-stage centrifugal fan. This unit is custom produced for a large gold mining enterprise in Cambodia and will be applied to the local mineral flotation process. Compared with ordinary single-impeller centrifugal fans, our multi-impeller and multi-stage structure delivers higher air pressure and more stable operation, perfectly catering to the mineral flotation process of mining projects, adopting integral casting technology instead of traditional steel plate welding. The fan features a firmer structure and higher precision. The optimized narrow blade design greatly reduces vibration and noise, achieving far better operational stability than ordinary fans. We adhere to strict factory quality inspection standards. The equipment is fully preheated after power on and starts operating only after the voltage becomes stable. We adopt professional testing instruments to comprehensively monitor core operating data, including fan speed, body vibration, and temperature. Multi-point vibration tests prove that the fan operates with low vibration, low temperature, and excellent running precision. This fan is customized for overseas 415 volts non-standard voltage, different from the conventional 380 volts and 220 volts voltage standards in China. We provide professional non-standard voltage customization services according to the power supply standards of different countries and regions to meet various overseas engineering working conditions. Equipped with high-end Innomotics motor, the fan features sufficient power and stable performance and effectively extends service life. Strict factory testing and mature customization capability ensure every decent machinery device delivers stable and efficient performance for global customers.